Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92 are charging? So if you want to check it for the charging case, at the right side of the case we have USB-C port and you need to connect your charging case to the power. Now let's do this, and if you see the LED light, meaning that your charging case are charging. To check it for the earbuds, you need to open the charging case and put your earbuds to the case. After you put them, if you see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And that's it. We have no more options to check it. We have an application on the widget. We cannot see them when we put them to the charging case because these earbuds automatically disconnect from your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.